Morning, students. This is chapter 3, changes in the transport system. So I have written the questions answers here, and I am just making the video on that. You just come through the video and write the answers in your copy. Okay. So see, the first question is define transportation. So transportation refers to the movement of people and goods from one place to another. Second question is, what are national highways? Answer: the road that connect state capitals or major cities are called national highways. Question 3. Comment on the railway network in India. Answer is the network of Indian Railways is the largest in Asia and the second largest in the world. Railways are the most popular means of public transport in India. Question 4. What do ships require? Answer is ships require ports for loading and unloading. Question 5. When was the first airplane invented? Answer is in 1903. The Wright brothers invented the first airplane. So here is your exercise question answer. Take the correct one. I have already written here the options only. If you have book, you can see the question from the book. Here is the question. Write the invention of the wheel. Invention of the wheel at first the ancient people made. The option is bullock cart. With the invention of the wheel at first the ancient people made. Answer: bullock cart. Okay. The four options are given here: cars, B. bullock carts, C. bicycles, and D. none of these. So the first question is, with the invention of the wheel at first the ancient people made bullock carts. Okay. This one is the correct answer, bullock carts. Second is, road made of mud and stones were called. Options are given here: Pakka road, metal road, highways, and Kacha road. So second answer is Kacha road. Road made of mud and stone were called Kacha road. इसे हिंदी में कच्चा रोड कहते हैं. In English it is called unmetalled road. Third, the first train ran between Bombay and Thane in which year? Options are given here: 1953, B. 1593, C. 1853, and D. 1855. So the correct answer is 1853. Okay, this is the correct answer. Ships are used for carrying: A. bulky goods, B. ice, C. light goods, and none of these. So the correct option is bulky goods. Ships are used for carrying bulky goods. Okay. Fifth question is, the Wright brothers belong to which country? First is India, second is USA, third is China, and fourth is Japan. So the answer is USA. Wright brothers belong to country USA. Answers here is the answers. Define transportation. What are national highway? Comment on the railways network in India. Fourth, what do ship require? Fifth, when was the first airplane invented? Okay, I will just take the picture of these answers and I will attach in the file. You just go through the file and write the answers in your copy. Okay. Here is the fill in the blanks. First, the history of transportation is as old as. Answer is civilization. Okay. First answer is civilization. Second, city roads also have flyovers. Flyover is your answer. Third, the Dash introduced the railways in India. The British introduced the railway in India. Fourth, Dash are the most expensive means of transport. Airways are the most expensive means of transport. I already written the answers here. See, first is civilization, second is flyover, third is British, and fourth is airways. Okay, this is the answer. Then after we will come to the true false. The invention of wheel was one of the greatest invention of the early humans. Yes, it is true. Second, road transport does not cause any pollution. It is false. Okay, so first one is true, second one is false. Here, third, metro trains connect two cities. It is false. Fourth, an oil tanker carries petroleum oil. It is true. Fifth, airways are the slowest means of transport. False. Okay, here I have done this true false. First one is true, second one is false, third one is false, fourth one is true, and fifth one is false. Then here is the last question is match the following. Here I have written the answer: land transport, roadways and railways and roadways. Second, GT road, Kolkata and Peshawar. Palace on wheels, luxury train, cargo ships, bulky goods, and Boeing 747 aeroplane. So if you have book, don't try to match the answers with the arrows. Okay, just put the number in front of the question. Don't match it like the arrows, okay, because it will become very messy. So you have book, put the numbers, correct answer in front of the question, numbers here, and don't match it with the arrow. I have already made the answer here. You can see on it: land transport, roadways and railways, GT road, Kolkata Peshawar, Palace on wheels, luxury train, cargo ship, bulky goods, Boeing 747 aeroplane. Okay.